Welcome to our channel, My Science Center. Here we are going to see a technology to harvest a clean energy from plants. Let's begin. It's a technology to harvest a clean energy from plants. So the concept is plug into a plant for clean energy harvesting. The idea was given by the scientist in the University of Georgia. So imagine that when you plug into a plant and we are able to obtain an energy. So that is the concept here. I'm going to explain. Let's start here. We know that sun is the main source of clean and renewable sources of energy, but only a fraction of energy is converted into an useful energy. We are not able to convert all the energies into a useful energy. That is, only a part of energy is converted into an useful energy. But the plants, they are capable of converting the maximum energy into an useful energy. Plants actually captures the photon from the sunlight and produces an equal number of electrons, and that is used for their reproduction purpose as well as for the metabolic growth. And how they are doing is by the process called as the photosynthesis. We are very familiar with the process photosynthesis, and photosynthesis is nothing but the light energy is converted into chemical energy, and in which the water is split into hydrogen and oxygen, as well electron is produced. And in that process the free electrons are converted into sugars, and that is used by the plants for their growth as well as the reproduction purpose. So scientists give a small twist in this step, and they have trapped the free electrons and they have converted into energy. So they developed a technology to interrupt the photosynthesis process and capture the electron before the plant put them to use for creating as sugars. That is, the electrons are converted into sugars for their plant growth, and the scientists found out a concept or introduce a concept to interrupt the photosynthesis process and to capture the electron before it is entering into the pathway of cycling. So how they have obtained this process is by modifying the structure called thylakoids. So thylakoids are a membrane, and that is responsible for photosynthesis purpose by capturing and storing the energy from the sunlight. The scientists have manipulated the protein structure contained in the thylakoid, and they have interrupted the pathway along which the electron is flowing inside it. And they have not given the electron for the sugar production, so they have trapped the electron for the energy production, that is electricity production. How they have obtained is that the modified thylakoids are immobilized on a specially designed backing of a carbon nanotubes that act as an electrical conductor to capture the electron and send them along a wire. By this means only they have converted the electron into an electrical energy. And where we have this applications are, so you can use it for remote sensors, portable electronic equipments, etc. This is a simple way they have mimicked the natural photosynthesis process and captured the electron for electricity generation, and it falls on the clean renewable energy source. That is, we are using a plant-based electron for the generation of electricity, and that is solely a renewable process, and there is no pollution is generated while harvesting the energy. And thank you for watching. Keep supporting for My Science Center. Thank you, and all.